Welcome to all. English for today, 9 and 10. I am Mirza Ghulam Mustafa, Senior Teacher, Victor High School, Sirazganj, Class 10, Subject English Part Paper, Unit 7, Lesson 6. Today, I will see a video. Wait and see. Wait and see. আমরা এবারে একটা ভিডিও দেখলাম, তো তোমরা নিশ্চয়ই বুঝতে পেরেছো এই ভিডিওটি কার। Look at the picture. The speech of Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. Then other pictures is freedom fighters. This topics is Independence Day. What can you see in the picture? I can see the National Memorial at Sabar. Where is it? It is at Sabar in Dhaka. Why was it built? It was built as a symbol of showing respect to our 2 hours the sacrifice of our freedom fighters. Understand? Learning outcomes today, this topics. After starting this lesson, we will be able to read and understand the text, to talk about the Independence Day. 3, understand new words. 4, writing a paragraph. The day begins at 31 gunshots. This is picture. Another picture. Early in the morning, the President and the Prime Minister on behalf of the National Police floral wreath at the National Museum at Sabar. We can see. Another picture. People witness dress parade of the different defense forces. In Bangabandhu Stadium, Bangladesh Scouts enter in the guards, guide and students take part in the various display to the spectators. Now, here keywords. Festival, meaning a day or period of celebration. Struggle, fight. Freedom fighters, a person who fought for the independence of the country. However, a strong feeling of excitement. Alive, in a similar way. Spectator, a person who is watching an event. Display, acts of performing skills. Illuminate, to decorate a building with bright lights. Here, festival, utsav, struggle, sangram, freedom fighter, Mukti Juddha. Who is person? A person who fought for the independence of the country. Father. A strong feeling of excitement. That means Bengali. Anubhuti Uttap. Alive. Sadrishya. Same like. In a similar way. Spectator. Darshak. A person who is watching an event. Display. Pradarshani. Display. Acts of performing skills. Illuminate. To decorate a building with bright lights. Alokito kara. Individual work. Today, this chapter. What does the country witness at the National Parade Ground this day? The country observed the day, enjoying the cultural programs, national parades on displays, along with the sports and tournaments. They remain sit, great enthusiasm and fervor. This is the country witness this National Parade Ground. How is the 26th March celebrated every year in the country? Okay. 26th March, our Independence Day, its biggest state festival. The day is celebrated every year in the country with great enthusiasm and fervor. Then, another question. What is remembered on this day? On this day would remain the speech of Sheikh Mujibur Rahman and freedom fighters. Then another question, who take part in the National Parade Ground? In the National Parade Ground could remain different defense, border guards, politics, Ansar and BDP, and also take part school students, scouts and Girl Guide. Another question, who offers flower read in the National Museum on behalf of the nation? In the meaning, this question, in the morning, the President, Prime Minister and other leaders, political parties, diplomats, social and cultural organizations, educational institutions and freedom fighters offers flower read in the National Museum on behalf of the nation. So, individual work. Now, this passage is understood. This passage is evolution number 1. Our biggest festival is Pahela Boishakh, Victory Day, Independence Day, 21st February. This answer Independence Day. Number 2, the Independence Day is the celebrated with dash, emotion and pride. This here the 4 points. Number 3, the celebration of Independence Day begins at gunshot. Number 4, the National Museum of Bangladesh is Sabah. 4, 5. What is the positive pronoun of the biggest? Must be big. Today, homework, write a paragraph about Independence Day. Okay, today class is finished. Allah Hafiz.